Hey guys, G's Vintage Fan Shed here today with another ceiling fan video. In today's video we have this 42-inch brown Emerson 1895. I've had this on my channel before. You guys probably very much remember it. It had the severely bent blade arm, which, speaking of that blade arm, I don't know if you could see that discoloration. It's like a different shade of brown. Well, thanks to my buddy Hampton, he gave me this blade arm for this. It apparently was, you can kind of see it, it was a brass iron, but apparently it was super scratched, so he just painted it brown and shipped it off. So, figured relocate the Walmart impressions somewhere else and put this in its place. I will now demonstrate it. I'm not putting a light on it since I have this lamp right here. But here's low. It works way better in here than the impressions did. I just don't like the clearance of that clothes rack compared to the blades. That was the only perk of the, that was the only pro of the, impressions being in there, is because I had it flush mounted in there. But when it wobbled, it shook the entire beam up there. There's low. See, the blade pitch is still off a little bit, but it's better than it was. Oh, and here's a top shot of it. I don't think I've ever showed you guys the top of it before. It has everything original, even the mounting. I actually, when I got this, the reason why the blade arm was bent was because the entire sheetrock panel, ceiling panel, was still bolted to it entirely and was pulling a bunch of weight on the fan. Here's medium. This thing runs pretty well. Can't even really tell the difference in the blade arm other than that little sizing there. It runs way smoother than it did. So, got this little pull chain on it because it originally had some stupid long string tied to it. Had to cut that shit off so I could put this on it. So, anyway, here's high. See it? It wobbles still, but it's not as bad as it was. It's actually really smooth compared to what it was. Airflow runs really well. So, shot of it in 0.5. And I guess we'll do somewhat spin down. I'm gonna give it a little top shot here. And yeah, do somewhat spin down now. Do it like this because it hits on that shelf. There we go. And I accidentally ended the video early. I meant to take a photo. But that is it for the brown Emerson. Alright, bye.